Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JBL Tuner 2nd generation with any iPhone or iPad. First of all, we need to locate this power button. It's on the left side of the front screen. We have to click on it once, and now just take a look on the screen. We'll get this information about the Bluetooth pairing. But if you don't have this pairing mode enabled, you can just click on the Bluetooth button once. And right now you will also hear this notification sound. It means that the speaker is in the pairing mode. So on our iOS device, we have to go to the settings. Next, go to the Bluetooth section. Let's turn it on right now. And just select JBL Tuner 2nd generation from the devices list. Now just wait a little bit. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.